Hello all, welcome to Ambari Cloud YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to walk through how I have been using to build a cost segment report through OpenClaw. So I submit my, hey, please generate a cost segment report in my Slack, and it connects, which in turn connects to executes in Cloud Code Anthropic, skill. Right? I set up a skill and designed it for it, and which basically executes through an application where upload the questionnaire and generates the IRS specific required cost segment report. So I'm just walk through quickly all the setups we do. So first we receive a questionnaire from the client. So let me open that. And so what is that is basically what is the property location, property name, and if it belongs to any LLC, and what is the cost and land cost, and then when it is being purchased, all the information they will send it to us. And then including the floor types and then the description of the property, and also is it a rental property and is an apartment or is it a commercial. So we get all this information. Then we store this particular questionnaire in a directory. So here I have a cost segment and this is my questionnaire. And then through Slack, I'm going to ask, okay, generate cost segment report. So I'm just simply submit it here. So my Slack configured with the OpenClaw, which is running so let me see, OpenClaw is running. Okay, give me the OpenClaw status here. Yes, OpenClaw is running, and then the Slack connects to the OpenClaw, and then OpenClaw connects to my Cloud Code, Anthropic Cloud Code, and which I already have a Python script, and then in skill which executes the master prompt and then generates the report for me. Okay, so let's wait for, and then meanwhile we can also check in my chart, and let's look at here and so if you look at here and it's submitted to the Cloud Code, and then so it read all the questionnaire, and then now it's in the process of generating the report. So we'll see how far we are. Yeah, still running, because this is a big report. It has to connect to the IRS rules and then generate the big XML, almost 10-15 pages of XML. So yeah, it's still running. Then yes, if you see here, it executed the questionnaire read first, right? And then what kind of the property information. Okay, so let's wait for it. And okay, so I'm still it's in the process of execution. Meanwhile, then if you look at here, then if you look at the agents here, you will see my skills, which I designed for my Cloud Code, OpenClaw, and then which executes Cloud Code or maybe GPT, whichever. And also, I have a skill setup which executes Snowflake, and also we send emails. I have 3,000 students, and I want to send an email to all my students, and then I use OpenClaw, and then basically submit a simple request. I have a list of emails, and then send an email to all my students. I attach this particular document. This is a body, this is a subject, so it sends an email. And also, and I have a WhatsApp configuration. Then I send simple text and automatically sends to through all my friends. Or if I receive some document in my WhatsApp, and then I have another skill which extract the content, which is through Snowflake AI extract. I use Snowflake AI extract for that, because we want to store in the Snowflake also that data. So we use that kind of. Now this agent right now running on my MacBook, but I'm planning on moving to my mini Mac. So that's what it's. Now if you look at here, okay, and yes, it generated 847 ABC Street cost segment report, and then yeah, how it looks like some issue here. Python 3 pip install PDF failed, because I don't care about right now the PDF file. Now let's go to here, and then you look at this one. Okay, so look at this one, property tax configuration, and property placed on 0408. So it has Trump rules. Basically any property purchased after 2025, January 19, 2025, it has a different polyester rules. So look at this. This report is generated, when it executes my application through OpenClaw, but submitting request. Okay, so this is how you're going to use OpenClaw. Definitely is full, but only key is make sure you test it in a non-prod environment, particularly when you're using for your emails cleanup or anything. But I don't use for email cleanup, but I use for, okay, show me today meeting invites I have, and it will send a note to my WhatsApp. Hey, these are all the emails for you. Yeah, so definitely useful feature OpenClaw, and which I connect to ChatGPT, but also I have a procedure, a skill which execute the cloud code, Entropy cloud code through OpenClaw. Okay, thank you.